In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install Hunyuan AI Video Generation tool by Tencent on your PC locally. To install it, you'll need Pinocchio. Now, open Pinocchio and search for Hunyuan AI. Tap the download button and wait for a few minutes. Once downloaded, click on the install button. Sit back and relax, as installation may take some time. After installation, you'll see a confirmation message. Click on the Fast button. Now, it will take about an hour to download additional files. Once done, you'll get a link in the terminal to use the tool. Enter your prompt, and the tool will generate videos for you. This tool requires 45 to 60 gigabytes VRAM, so if your PC doesn't have that, it won't work. In the next video, I'll show you how to use Hunyuan AI on a low-end PC. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it.